Tired of your OfferUp feed looking like a digital garage sale that never ends? We're diving straight in to show you how to remove those old listings, keeping your account clean and organized. First, locate and tap the OfferUp app icon on your phone. Let's go. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the bottom navigation bar. You'll see a few options, but we're interested in the profile icon, usually located on the far right. Tap it. Great, this is your profile page. Scroll down until you see all of your active listings. Find the specific posting you wish to remove from OfferUp. Once you've found that product posting, look for the three dots, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the specific listing or at the bottom. Tap it. A menu should pop up. On this menu, find the option to delete or remove listing. It might be represented by a trash can icon. Click it. A confirmation window will appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove the post. It's just making sure you don't accidentally delete something. If you're absolutely sure, tap yes or confirm. The listing should then disappear from your profile. Now your OfferUp is clutter-free. Repeat this process for any other listings you want to get rid of. It's that easy.